call Ishil Zainab from High Tech Junior School.
Good morning, President. Today, I stand before you with a heavy heart to speak on the topic, Tears of Earth. Have you ever heard the earth cry? No, not with a voice like yours or mine. The earth cries with floods, wildfires, storms, and droughts. Each tear it sheds is a message that we, its children, have forgotten how to care. Worthy President, once our earth was a happy planet. It wore a green coat of forest, breathed fresh air, and danced to the music of the birds and bees. But today, the forests are falling, rivers are choking, and animals are disappearing. Why? Because of us. We cut down trees, we build big buildings, we throw garbage in the rivers and seas, we burn plastic to pollute the air, and waste water as if it will never end. Mr. President, can we afford to wait until the last tree is gone? Or the last river is dry? Is this the legacy we want to leave for the future generations? No, Mr. President. Think of the earth as a mother, tired, wounded, silently crying, while watching her children destroy everything she gave them. The forests were once her lungs, rivers the ways that gave life, but now they're drying up, poisoned and broken. She doesn't speak, but the pain is visible in the floods, the heat waves, the dying animals. Respected President, can you see her tears in the melting eyes of architects? Can you hear her sob in the silence of extinct animals? Can you feel her pain in the heat of summer and floods of monsoon? My friends, we are still young. We are the hope of tomorrow. And if we want the earth to smile again, we must act today. Let's plant trees, not cut them. Let's use cloth bags instead of plastic. Let's turn off taps and lights when not in use. And most of all, let's respect every part of nature because it's all connected. Let's wipe away the tears of earth and bring back her laughter. A wise person once said, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children and we must return it clean, green and full of life. I thank you all for listening patiently.